This guide is structured as a continuous slide deck presentation for a 6-minute YouTube lesson. It maintains a professional yet encouraging tone, perfect for a first-day orientation. Part 1. Introduction to Python. Slide 1. Welcome to Python. Visuals, large Python logo, Python for beginners. Key points. Welcome to the Python journey. Beginner-friendly and intuitive. The most popular language in the world. The script. Hello everyone, and welcome to our Python programming course. This is your very first step into the world of coding. Today, we aren't just learning a language, we are learning a tool that will allow you to build anything you can imagine. Python is famous for being incredibly easy to learn, making it the perfect starting point for beginners. Slide 2. What is Python? Visuals, comparison of Python code versus complex C++ code. Key points. High level, human readable. Created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. Clean, simple syntax. The script. So what is Python? It's a high-level language, which just means it looks more like English than computer gibberish. It was released in 1991 by Guido van Rossum with one goal, to be readable. Look at this code. Print. Hello world. It does exactly what it says. Because it's so clean, you spend less time worrying about brackets and more time solving problems. Slide 3. Why is Python popular? Visuals, icons for community, libraries, and cross-platform use. Key points. Huge community support. Massive collection of pre-made libraries. Works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. The script. Why is Python the king of programming right now? First, the community. If you have a problem, millions of people have already solved it online. Second, libraries. Think of libraries as power-ups that let you do things like image recognition or data analysis without writing code from scratch. Plus, Python doesn't care what computer you use, it runs perfectly on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Slide 4. Real-world applications. Visuals, collage of AI, NASA, Netflix, and robots. Key points. AI and machine learning. Web development, Instagram/Spotify. Data science and automation. The script. Python is everywhere. It's the brain behind artificial intelligence and chatbots. It's used by data scientists to predict the stock market and by web developers to build sites like Pinterest. It's even used at NASA for space exploration. When you learn Python, you're learning a skill that the biggest companies in the world are looking for right now. Part